Hi, my name is Johnny Timmons with MarineMax Yachts. Welcome to our 2008 58 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge. From the cockpit of this Sea Ray 58 Sedan Bridge, you'll notice our tender with new Evinrude E-Tech motor, sea deck all the way to the molded swim platform, and then our TNT hydraulic swim platform beyond it. We added on this boat the shade, the aft shade on top of the cockpit that covers all the way back to the molded swim platform. You'll notice the sea deck molded stairs all the way to the Flybridge. This boat we did with sea deck for the entire cockpit floor. Welcome to the Flybridge of this 58 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge. You'll notice sea deck on the floors, seating for 12, 2 helm chairs, refrigerator, and an ice maker all up on the Flybridge. From the helm of the 58 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge, we've got our manned controls for the main engines. We've got our autopilot. We've got a new bow and stern thruster control pad. We've got 2 VHFs to work off of. Our ACR spotlight. You'll notice we got brand new 12-inch Raymarine Axiom displays. And as I work my way up, we've got our Onan display for our genset, our 2 man diesel engine displays, our rudder angle indicator, and our 2 fuel gauges. As we work our way inside the salon of this 58 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge, you'll notice solid wood floors, high gloss cherry interior, wraparound seating for 10, our switch panel behind a glass door. Lastly, our entertainment system with a Bose 321 and a Samsung 37-inch TV. Welcome to the galley on this 58 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge. You'll notice we've got Corian countertops, 2 pull-out Sub-Zero refrigerators, 1 door-style Sub-Zero freezer. As we work around the settee, we've got seating for 6 and a very nice burlwood table. Welcome to the owner's suite on this 58 Sea Ray Sedan Bridge. This is a full beam stateroom, high gloss cherry interior. We go to the entertainment system on the boat. We've got a Samsung TV, Bose 321 surround sound with a subwoofer under the owner's suite bed, 2 pull-out closets, full height headroom. As we get into the owner's suite head, full Lexan glass door with a full stand-up shower, granite countertops, porcelain head. As we work into the VIP stateroom, you'll notice to port side, we've got our TV entertainment center. To starboard side, we've got a walk-in closet as well as the standalone shower. So we work our way back to the companionway, either through the cabin door or the companionway door, we've got our standalone head. companionway of the boat, you'll notice we've got an upgraded hardwood floor. For our guest stateroom, this boat was equipped with the crisscross bunks. By having the crisscross bunks, we get the combo washer dryer in the companionway. Now we're in the engine room of the Sea Ray 58 sedan bridge. Freshly painted, meticulously maintained, all of our MAN services are up to date. You'll also notice the spare propellers are held in between the two stringers. Again, Johnny Timmons with MarineMax in Houston, Texas. Thank you for your time and joining us on this 58 Sea Ray sedan bridge. You can reach us at www.marinemax.com, or you can reach me at 281-830-6336. Thanks again.